Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this series, we will be discussing about the weekend 10 trader portfolio, and we will be reviewing the stop losses for each of the constituents of the portfolio. So as you can see, we have marked all the eligible stocks in this portfolio under one watchlist weekend 10 trader, and these are all the 20 stocks. So as you can see, there was a quite good recovery from the week previously, because in previous week market was considerably down, but you can see these are the strongest stocks out of market small cap or micro cap portfolio. So these are the stocks which have, after a slight bit of pullback retracement to the upside in the market, they have gone up considerably up. So as you can see, most of them were not able to break the recent highs, but we'll go through each one of them. First one is Tube Investment. In this, you can see that still we are in a green trend, trend indicator. This one, this is trend filter. So our stop loss remains almost the same, which was the previous week. Maybe in coming weeks, we'll be able to break above the previous high, which was made. Apar Industries, this week as well, we were able to get a good recovery from the lows, but still we are waiting for the top or the highest position of the stock to be broken. Stop loss, it is exactly same where it was in the previous week. Another stock is Rolex Rings. The high which was made in the week of 12th September, it is still intact and we are yet to break it. But as we can see from the market mayhem which was going on from maybe a couple of weeks, this stock is almost not, getting worried, or this stock is considerably up with respect to overall market. You can see we are up 2.25% this week. Next is Global Education. As you can see, it was down more than 10% in the previous week, and we are still up, slightly down around 2.5% on this stock. But from the lows of 315, it has considerably made a jump around 400. So stop loss is still intact. We are above the buy level in this stock, so hardly there is anything to lose in this counter. Next is Timken. Timken is up more than 8% this week. If you compare to the Nifty or other constituents of the market, this is up 8% this week, and the stop loss is not getting changed at this, as the high made in the 5th of September is still intact. But we have made a good recovery to the upside. Another one is BLS. BLS, despite considerable amount of downtrend in the overall market, this is just holding as strong. You see, it has made very small dojis this week, and it is up, slightly up, and its stop loss is almost same. Another stock is Schaeffler India. Schaeffler India was down from our buy position, but this week closing it is up, not much, but it is slightly up from the buy position. And if you see, in previous 2 weeks it was down more than 10%, 2.7% in the first week and more than 8% in the other week. This week it is somewhat down around 1%, less than 1%, but still there was a recovery. ARV Smart Spaces, this stock fell very hardly, but as you can see, from lows of 216, it has gone up to 246. So again, a good recovery. Let's see if it is able to break above the past high in the coming weeks. Stop loss does not change in this also. Stop loss won't be getting changed for most of the stock, because as per this system, stop losses will only be getting changed when you are able to break above previous highs. As you can see, since couple of weeks or more than 2-3 weeks, market has been in continuous downtrend. In fact, it was selling very vigorously, but these stocks are still holding. So we will be waiting for the stock to make new high, then only we will be shifting the stop loss to the upside. Rajaratan is still intact. Lumax Industries has made 1.56% up this week, It went down from our buying position, but it still recovered from low. Stop loss is still same. Shanti Gears, this stock was able to make slightly to the upside, breaking the previous high. Not much, but maybe 1%. So our stop loss goes to 209, rough area of 209. And I think this is the only stock which has made new high this week, despite the market getting down and down. All right. Another stock is TD Power. TD Power has the same stop loss this week as well. It is up more than 5%. And another one is Specialty Chemicals. It is break even to the buy position, down more than 5%. And stop loss is still the same. Varun Beverages. All right. This is more than 9%, almost 10% down this week. And let's see how the recovery is going forward. Stop loss is still intact around 709. Asahi India is more than up 4% this week, and it has gone above the buying position. But still, we are waiting for the stock to make a new high. Maneuver has been trading good despite 2-3 weeks of consolidation. We will not call this area. We will not call this area as correction, despite it will be a consolidation. Stop loss remains the same. Next is Adani Enterprises. Adani Enterprises has gone more than 5%, almost 6% down, and we are still waiting for the stock to make a new high so that any adjustment to the sell can be made. Another one is ATGL. Adani stocks are somewhat down this week, around 6 week down this one, and stop loss remains the same. Let's see how it performs next week. Vinyl Chemicals. Alright, this is down more than 7.5% around. So let's see, we are already above the SL. SL is already above our buy position. Looks like slightly down, but still we are close to break even. Let's see how this performs in the coming weeks. Valiant Communication is down heavily this week, around 20%, more than 80%. So let's see what it goes for this counter. We are good above this buy position, so SL is more than break even. So nothing to lose in this counter as well. So these are the stocks and stop loss positions which we have discussed for the weekend trend trader portfolio. You can gain some insights how to build the system and how to position yourself when the market is moving up or the market is moving down. You can create a basket of these stocks and just follow the process maintained here. Hope you like the video. If you have not subscribed to the video, please subscribe to the channel. Please click on the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever there is a new content posted to the channel. Please share it with your friends and family so that maximum people can get the benefit of the content which is being shared here. And if you like or have any query, just post in the comment section. Till then, thank you very much.